Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make almond milk. So here we have almonds soaking in water. You want to soak them in water for minimum of 8 hours. That's a half a cup of almonds. We're going to rinse the almonds off in this little colander thing because the water is kind of gross. So we're going to do that now. Let's see if I can do this. Alright. We're going to dump them in our blender. And then we're going to add 4 cups of water to the blender. And then we're going to set it on the blender. Definitely put the lid on, otherwise you have a mess. And then we're going to liquefy on high for 2 minutes. And that is almond milk. So it just turns the water white because the almonds inside are white and taste delicious. And it's cheaper than store-bought almond milk, and we keep our almonds in the freezer. So this is just raw Kirkland brand. I think that's like Costco. So that is how you make almond milk. And then you add it to your smoothies, shakes, cereal, drink it normal, whatever you want to do. Alrighty.